Defining research. So, what is research? Research is a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. It is an art of investigation. According to Redman and Mori, systemized effort to gain knowledge. That means research has been defined as a systemized effort to gain knowledge. Then, Encyclopedia of Social Sciences, according to Schlesinger and Stephenson, research is a process of manipulation of things, concepts, or symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extend, correct, or verify knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in the construction of theory or in practice of an art. Then research comprises the following, that there are several steps which are involved in a definition of the research. So defining and redefining the problem, then formulating the hypothesis, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, then making deductions and reaching conclusions, carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the hypothesis. Then what is research methodology? Research methodology means the systematic study of methods, principles, procedures and rules applied within a discipline. So what are the significance and relevance for management? Why should managers study research methodology? So business research is a systematic inquiry that provides information to guide managerial decisions. It is process of planning, acquiring, analyzing and disseminating relevant data and insights to decision makers, leading to appropriate actions which in turn maximize business performance. Then changing approach to business, that is from the gut feeling and anecdotal evidence to qualitative to quantitative. So relevant whether large commercial ventures, public agencies, non-profits, small businesses or individual entrepreneurs. Then it is also significant in solving various operational and planning problems of business and industry. Then market research, that means the investigation of structure and development of the market. Then important for formulating policies for purchase, production and sales. Motivational research studies consumers' motives in their purchase behavior, that is consumer behavior. And operation research refers to the application of mathematical, logical and analytical techniques to the solution of business problems of optimization of resource use, cost minimization and profit maximization. Then it's also aid to inform decision making, helps identify problem areas, aid to forecasting, helps business budgeting. Then it's tool for efficient production and investment decision making. Then optimal utilization of resources, basis for innovation. Then managers need research to measure and compare the ROI on various strategies, that means rate of investment or return on investment. So helps in better understanding of employees, stockholders and customers. The factors which help in business research. Aiding business research. Developments aiding business research are competition, whether it's local, domestic and global, more complex business organizations, stakeholders demanding greater role, growth of internet, growth of technology and greater computing power, advanced analytical techniques. So these are the developments which help in business research. Objectives of research. There are various objectives of the research. Number one, to gain familiarity with certain phenomena or gain new insights and deep study of something. That is the exploratory research. Then second one is to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, group or situation. That is the descriptive research. Now the third one, to see the frequency with which some phenomena is associated with something else. That is the diagnostic research. Then hypothesis of causal relationship between variables, which is termed as the hypothesis testing. Now there are several criteria for the good research. Number one, purpose should be clearly defined. Second, research process, that means source of data, should be described in sufficient detail except when secrecy is required. This will help verify, correct, and extend knowledge, keeping the continuity of what has already been achieved. Then design, that means sampling, design, questionnaire, observation, etc., should be thoroughly planned so as to yield objective result. Now, high ethical standards should be followed, from misusing information to forcing respondents to answering questions to animal rights and human dignity. Then limitations should be frankly revealed, flaws in design so that the decision maker is made aware. Then analysis of data should be adequate and methods of analysis should be appropriate. They should check for the reliability and validity and probability of error. Then unambiguous presentation should be there. Conclusion should be confined to those justified by the data of the research. Then good research is a systematic, structured with specified steps taken in a specified sequence in accordance with well-defined rules. Good research is logical. Logical reasoning makes research more meaningful in the context of decision making. Good research is empirical, dealing with concrete data that provides the basis for external validity to research results. Good research is replicable. So these are the criteria of good research. Thank you.